Today, we're diving into the features of the VEVOR Camping Kitchen Table, your ultimate companion for all outdoor cooking adventures. This versatile table is designed for easy setup and portability, folding down to just 5.5 inches thick and fitting neatly into an included Oxford cloth carrying bag. Crafted with durable aluminum tubes and a high-quality MDF countertop, it boasts a reinforced X-shaped structure for enhanced stability, perfect for organizing your food, stoves, and cookware with its spacious tabletop, zippered storage compartments, and handy side table. The three-sided windscreen ensures efficient cooking even in breezy conditions, while the integrated lamp stand lets you keep the party going after dark. Whether you're camping, RV traveling, or hosting a backyard barbecue, this table is ready to elevate your outdoor experience with its thoughtful design and robust construction. So, pack your gear, embrace the great outdoors, and let the VEVOR Camping Kitchen Table transform your next adventure into a culinary delight. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.